One of the most colourful yet smallest Australian birds, at only 8 to 10 centimetres in length. The spotted pardalote, also known as the diamond bird, is rarely seen, although common in the most fertile parts of the land. It is found in eastern Australia, from Cooktown in Queensland through to Perth in Western Australia, favouring coastal areas and eucalyptus forests. During breeding season, calls of the spotted pardalote change from June till January, giving it the more unfavourable nickname, the headache bird. For a nest, they dig a tunnel in the ground, or sometimes they use a tree hollow. Both parents share responsibility of nest building, egg incubation, and feeding of the young. Most of their time is spent among the canopy of the trees, eating spiders and insects. But most of all, their diet consists of lerps, a type of sap-sucking insect, giving them a significant role to play in controlling lerp infestations in eucalyptus forests. Although, where the sap-sucking demons remain, unharmed trees are often killed. If you live in range of the elusive spotted pardalote, there's a higher chance that you've heard one before. It can be commonly confused with the striated pardalote, which has a striped head and lacks the spotting on the wings.